one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. Sometimes it's not that God has moved away. It is the pain and the disappointment, the confusion and inner clutter that have affected what we see. And the heart becomes clouded, the mind becomes tired, and what once felt simple begins to feel hard. The Lord says, I am bringing you into a place of renewed clarity, of new vision. Like windows that have become dull, I'm washing them and making them clean, so that the light of my glory will shine through. I'm removing the lies, I'm removing the distortions and distractions, as I wash away the things which do not belong, so that you will enter into my presence anew, and you will see with my eyes. My light will shine upon you, and you will have the clarity that you need. For I am the Lord who loves you, the Lord who draws you near. Do not be afraid, but trust that I am with you, the one who is healing and restoring, the one who is leading you forward in my peace. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.